morning children, chapter 10 practical geometry. We have to draw a parallel line to the given line through a point not on the line only. So for this previous knowledge, parallel lines to be there. So if we are having two parallel lines cut by a transversal, what type of the angles you are getting there? Corresponding angles you will get, alternate interior angles you will get. So co-interior angles are supplementary. Mainly we are using alternate interior angle only. So here angle is the first pair, means here I can take alternate interior angle. Similarly here I want, means this is the another pair of the alternate interior angle. Now we can go for the corresponding angles also. So above the line means here also above the second line we should take on the left side, and similarly right side also we can make the corresponding angles. Now I already told that a alternate interior angle idea only we are using. Now I will go to the question. Construction of a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line. That means a line is given, again a point is taken which is not lying on the L. So this is L only. Through A we have to draw a line parallel to this L only. How to do that one? So this line is not there, we have to construct only. So our line L is given, again a point is taken outside the L, and B is a point we have taken on the L. So 2 points we have taken. Which are the points? A is outside the line L, B is on the line L. Now AB joint. Now convenient radius in your compass, we have to draw an arc of the circle here which cut L at C and BA at D only. I think up to this steps is very clear to you. First a line is taken, and outside the line A, point A, on the line point B, join AB. Now with the help of the compass, what we have to do? Draw an arc of the circle which cut L at C and the line BA at D. The same radius, without changing your compass radius, one more arc we have to draw while keeping A as a center. Right? Now the next step is measure this CD in your compass. So alternate angle is this side. First pair means another pair will be here only, another one will be here only. First we have taken alternative for the right side, then the here only the next one will have. So this measurement we have taken. Now keeping this letter, one letter will be given, it is G only I think. So from this, the same measurement CD, we have to draw an arc. From A, join this arc. Again we have to complete. Now we can use the compass and ruler, then you will get the correct parallel line. So we got the steps now. What are the steps? First draw the line L. A and B are the points taken. Where is outside the L, B is on the L. Join AB. Draw an arc. Both the arc will have the same radius only. Next step, measure this length and cut here. From this as a center, you can cut here. Through this arc, we can draw a line parallel to L. Now I'll read the steps once again. What is the first step? Draw a line L and a point A outside the L. I think it is clear. Take a point B on L and join AB. There is no doubt for this one. Join AB. With B as a center and a convenient radius, draw an arc cutting L at C and BA at D. Now what is the next point? With A as a center and the same radius, we are not changing the radius, keeping the same radius in the step 3, draw an arc EF cutting AB at G, we have used the letter. Measure the length CD. Next step we can see. What is the next step? Measure the arc length CD in the compass by keeping C as a center. With G as a center, same radius CD, draw an arc. Which arc cut at H? Join H and draw a line parallel to L only. Now while reading these steps you will get confused. Now let us see what we can do by the construction. We have to draw a line L first. L. Now what is the next step? A point A is taken outside the L. And on L, what is the point is taken? B. Anywhere, it can be straight also, there is no problem. Now join AB. What is the next step? With B as center, convenient radius, you should decide the convenient radius and draw an arc. Okay. This point we are marking as a C because A and B is already over. We have to mark this as a C and here it is D. Now I have not changed the radius. See, with the B, whatever radius I have taken, the same radius. With A, I am doing the same mark. We completed arc here, and here the letters are G, and the arc name we had given as E and F. Now what is the next step? That is the one of the important step because alternate interior angle concept we are using. So this radius, this length CD, we should measure using compass. See, this length to be taken in our compass. Correctly, exactly correct. So this is the length. Now G as a center, not A. This time G as a center, we have to draw the arc here. Okay. This point is H only. E, F, G, H. Okay. Now AH to be joined. First you have to join AH only. Okay. Now extend that one through A. So that is our M. So L parallel to M. Now how to do the justification? Angle ABC, that is this measurement only we have taken, ABC is equal to BAH. That means here BAH. So I'll just mark slowly, a small way. A small arc will write. That means angle ABC and BAH. Both are alternate interior angle. They are equal. So the lines are parallel. L parallel to M. So this is the first time you are seeing the construction. I'll do one more time for more making more clear. So let us do the construction once again. Now first again repetition only, see the steps correctly. One more time I am doing the construction. First we are doing the line L. Okay. Now a point A is taken outside the L, and on L, what is the point A? B we are taken. What is the next step? AB to be joined. Now at B, convenient radius you should take, and we are drawing a semicircle or an arc also sufficient. Here we are drawing same way, the same radius at A we should take, but opposite side you should start and cut this line. Okay, little more extension we can take. So since A and B is completed, so C I will mark. This point we have marked as D. Now the arc is EF, but the cutting point is G. Right? These are the steps. So same radius we have used at B and A. One is right side, another one is left side. What is the next step? Alternate interior angle concept to be bring here. So what we should take? We should take the measurement of CD in our compass. So tip of the compass at C only, and at the other end you may have pencil only. We are using sketch for clarity. So here CD is the measurement we have taken. Now where is the center to be kept? We have to keep the center on G. So from G, the same measurement, exactly check that one, CD to be taken exactly, no change for that one. Slightly difference means the line will not be parallel. So here I have to mark H. Okay, so we got H now. I think the idea is clear to you. So here I will put H only. Now what is the first step? We have to join AH. First join AH, right? Then extend. Now I'll write here M, here L only. So M and L are parallel. Now I think steps are very clear to you. Exercise 10.1, first question. Draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. Through C, draw a line parallel to AB using roller and compass only. So the same procedure what we have learned in the theory part, the same thing only we are going to do here. So first you make it clear the question. Draw a line, say AB. So AB is the line. Take a point C outside it. Draw a line through C, draw a line parallel to AB. So this is the concept of the question. Now how to do the steps means a point Q on AB we have to take. Again, what is the step to be continued? CQ to be joined, right? Next, here small arc to be drawn. Here also the same arc. Now measure this distance. Again from here you should cut here. So the same step what we have done the last time. What is the step? AB to be drawn. Draw a line AB and take any point Q on AB and C outside it. CQ to be joined. With the Q as center and a convenient radius, draw an arc at Q which cut AB at P and QC at R. So PR this time. Now the same radius we have to draw with the C as a center. What is the next step? We have to cut the CQ at a D we have taken because it is C, so we'll mark it as a D only. Now the same radius PR to be taken, from D the arc to be drawn, and here we have to draw the line parallel. So I'll read the steps once again. Draw a line AB. So the steps are: draw a line AB, take a point Q on AB and C as a point on outside the AB. Q on AB, C as a point outside the AB, join CQ. With the Q as center, a convenient radius, draw an arc which cut AB at P, QC at R. Next, C as center, the same radius, must be careful here, same radius as the previous step what we have selected. Draw an arc which cut CQ at D. Right? What is the next step? Measure the arc length PR by keeping the compass tip at the point P only. With a D as center and the radius PR, draw an arc which cut the arc EF at G. Join CG to draw the line M parallel to AB. So now I'll do the construction. So draw a line L now. So this time they had given the name as AB only. So we are marking this as AB. Okay. Now take a point Q on AB and a point C outside the AB, because as per question C is outside the AB only. So we have to take a point here. Let me mark here Q only. What is the next step? We have to join CQ. Now again, what we should do, convenient radius to be taken in compass, we have to draw an arc which is starting from the line AB. Okay, the same arc, we are not we are not changing anything at C also, so left side. So it's touching here, no problem. We can mark the same point only. Here, what is the point we have to start a CQ only? Let me start with the P, because we are written the step as like this only, P, and here R. Now the same radius with the C we have taken, and draw an arc CQ at D only, it is making cut. So here D I am taking, right? Now what is the next step? We have to measure PR. P, compass tip we kept at P, and radius we have taken as a PR, right? Now from D we have to draw an arc. Through C. This letter what we have written that time, it is a DSS center, it is G only. So I'll mark G first. First join CG. Then extend with the help of a scale. So here this line, that is M, parallel to AB we got. Now I think idea is very clear to you. So now how to write the justification? Which angle measurement we have taken? This is BQC, angle BQC, that is the first angle which we had drawn. Again from G it should start, GCQ. Both are equal with the same radius. Now which type of the angle it is? Both are alternate interior angle. And they are equal also. So what is the conclusion? The lines are parallel. So we have denoted by the letter M only, M parallel to AB. So we have constructed already, we have done the theory part very neatly explained. So what is the procedure? We have to draw a rough diagram, then steps of construction, then real construction, then justification. I'll show from the first. So steps should be like this. First your rough diagram should be there on the right side. Next steps for construction, all the steps to be written neatly. Then we have to see the construction. Third part, that is first point rough diagram, second point is steps, third part is diagram, original diagram, next justification. If the question is not asked for any justification, you can avoid this step. So with this today's class I am winding up. Thank you.